myHSA's online and mobile applications offer simple claim submission and reimbursement to employees. Download the free myHSA app from the App Store or Google Play. Let's take a look at the employee experience. Access the app using the email and password created online. From the dashboard, the employee can view their balance, make a claim, view their claims, manage personal and banking information in settings, and even find a care provider. When making a claim, access the mobile gallery or take a photo right from the app to attach a receipt. Enter the details of the claim and submit it for adjudication. Follow claims from pending to approved. Funds are deposited to the employee's bank account within 1 to 3 business days. For assistance, go to the link FAQ in navigation and access the live chat or visit our site to chat with our HSA experts. Enjoy the easy submission of claims and reimbursement through our mobile app.